Hello, in this video we're going to learn to speak about our clothes. We're going to use the present continuous and the simple present. Watch and listen. This is Alice. Alice is going to be our model. Alice, what are you wearing right now? I'm wearing a pink top and jeans. I'm wearing a hat. I'm wearing a blue jumper. I'm wearing red boots. I'm wearing a long brown coat. I'm wearing a blue scarf. I'm not wearing a scarf. I'm not wearing a coat. I'm not wearing a jumper. I'm not wearing boots. I'm not wearing a hat. What is Alice wearing now? She's wearing a pink top and jeans. She's wearing a white shirt. She's wearing a green skirt. She's wearing a pink jacket and a tie. She's wearing black socks and grey shoes. We use the present continuous to speak about actions that are happening right now. I'm wearing a pink top. I'm wearing jeans. She's wearing a pink top. She's wearing jeans. Present continuous. Let's see the positive statements. I'm wearing. You're wearing. He, she or it is wearing. We are wearing. You are wearing. They are wearing. We can say, I'm wearing trousers, or you're wearing a dress, or he is wearing a tracksuit, and we are wearing trainers and a cap. Negative statements. I'm not wearing a tracksuit. You're not wearing trousers, or he, she is not wearing trainers and a cap. We're not wearing. You're not wearing. And they are not wearing. We can contract this form. Like in, I'm wearing jeans, you're wearing boots. He's wearing a coat. She's wearing socks. We're wearing shirts. They're wearing skirts. We can contract a negative too. I'm not wearing jeans. You aren't wearing boots. She isn't wearing a coat. He isn't wearing socks. We aren't wearing shirts. And they aren't wearing skirts. Now let's see clothes routine. Alice, please tell us about your clothes routine. What do you usually wear to work? I usually wear a blouse and jeans, trainers and a coat. I don't usually wear a dress. Alice, so you don't wear a dress to work. When do you wear a dress? I usually wear a dress to a party. Present simple. We use the present simple for routines. Positive statements. I wear jeans to work. You wear a jacket to work. He, she or it wears. We wear. You wear. and they wear. Negative statements. I don't wear jeans to work. You don't wear a jacket to work. He, she, or it doesn't wear. We don't wear. You don't wear. And they don't wear. That's all for now. For more activities and stuff on my blog, blogdaserena.blog. And if you like the activity, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you very much for watching.